one.
Yeah.
All of them. If you're not doing it, you're not doing it.
I don't want to sleep.
Yeah. Stay careful. Tulila pa. Zaja.
It's finally going to where it's supposed to be. The first day I've gone to 3 schools which were in Limpopo. I'm not too certain where these are going now. And thank you to the NECT, National Education Collaboration Trust, for entrusting us with this project. And we're hoping to do more for them. And also more for anyone else who needs our help with Umqomolwazi.
Umqomolwazi. Go in peace, love and serve the rural children.